Today I will be unboxing Tipsy's Minion Splatums, Gold Digit Bar, World Vacation, Shopkins World Vacation, and then Disney Princesses Comics Minis. So I'm gonna open up this first, and I'm gonna put it in some water, so we can, because we're putting it in water, so it can soak because it's sand, and so it'll be a little easier to like break it open, so we can get real gold, pyrite, obsidian, and rainbow stone. Show them that.
Which one do you think you're gonna get?
I want to get the gold, real gold. That would be amazing.
I think rainbow stone. It looks kind of red.
Not really rainbowy.
Here, move your buggy.
This table. There's tape right there. No wonder why I can't open it.
Do you need help, madam?
No, I figured it out. I need help. I can't open it. A gold bar.
Why don't you show something else while I do this?
Tipsy! And then I'll show the Minion Splatums. My mom said they have a special feature.
Well, they don't really have a special feature. That one just has something that you can't see through the package. Let me show the package first. You can't see why I bought it. See him? See him in there? Can you see why I bought it?
I don't know.
Why did I buy it?
There's a bird on your head. And we have
Just
a
like
bird
at our house.
Yep, birds all over our head. The birdie spin. Birdie spins.
So this is Snoopy and Woodstock. See?
Oh, you showed me at the
a cute little bird on his head. Oh, we forgot to show the back of the package. And they kind of just like wobble like weebles. They're just kind of cute. Weebles wobble, but they don't fall down. I think you had weebles, I'm pretty sure.
I do.
There's the
I never knew that.
collection. You can get several different Snoopies actually. But I like the one with the little bird on the head. I just thought he was cute with a bird on his head. Because there's always a bird on somebody's head around here.
Yep. Even though I ain't Crystal said.
Did Aunt Crystal like having a bird on her head?
I don't think the bird actually got her on it. Crystal said though.
Tools to dig with. A hammer, a chisel, and a brush. Instructions. 1 in 24 have real gold.
If there's real gold in this, I am going to be really surprised.
Me too. Because I don't think I've ever seen anyone get real gold.
Thais told me this was, he got this for the gift exchange at school. I think that's what he said.
Okay.
Even though he sits right next to me, I couldn't hear him for some reason. Yeah. See, there's like sand falling everywhere. There's a tear strip.
Too late now.
More plastic.
We'll find the tear strip.
Is there a tear strip on this?
You said there was.
On the other one.
There's 2 pieces of plastic. Come here. It says gold. There you go.
it in so it can soak. Hand me the.
You want to pour some on top too?
Yeah, I'm gonna pour some water on top. We need more water.
That'll be okay. We'll let some of that soak into it while we unbox some other things. Just scoot it to the side. Where we can still kind of see it, maybe.
Flooding the package.
Can you step around it? Okay, and we'll put Snoopy right there because him and Woodstock are adorable.
Woodstock is the bird's name?
Yep.
Our bird's name is Snowflake.
That bird's name is Woodstock.
You rude.
Let's see, what is that? You didn't show it. Let's show the packaging.
Minion Splatums.
Splatums.
Pretty turkey.
And it looks like you get a little catapult, a little minion, and a little thing to build to splat it at. Be careful what you cut in there. Don't cut part of the thing.
Right here. I didn't cut anything. Yay! Like last time, I cut a sticker box.
So what kind of background do we get? Looks like a carnival thing where you put your head in and pose for a picture.
There's a mignon. I love mignon.
Is this the base, maybe?
Mm-hmm.
I don't know. I need to see, like,
I found it.
instructions. Do you have instructions? Oh, thank you.
I'm a mignon. Apparently my mom never knew I loved Minions.
I did not. Well, I knew you liked them. I just didn't think you watched them anymore.
I didn't watch them anymore, but I love Minions. Minions. Minions.
There's the thing. Let's see the minion you got.
He landed
he's-
next to a feather.
He's a little sticky. He's cute. Look at that face. A little orange outfit.
They're stickers! What are these stickers for?
Kind of flat. Put him on a catapult.
What are these stickers for?
To decorate this with, I guess. I think since it's supposed to look like a carnival, maybe these are the carnival prizes you can get. I don't know. Here, flick him at the camera. That'll be good.
Yeah, totally. It's good. I did nothing. Go dig it, buddy.
So I guess you're supposed to try to like flick him at this and try to shoot him through the hole. I don't know. But it's cute. Is it getting any easier? She's digging out gold bar if you can't see. I don't think they can see.
They can't see. Still can't see.
You put it in your lap.
That was badly. Worst hammer ever. It's not the worst hammer ever. It's hard to. You've done lots of digits. Like different types of them.
Try to do an edge and see if you can break some off. Don't spill. Here, tap it. All right, let's let it sit a little more. It's still pretty solid.
We got a tiny chip off. That's the
This
worst
way?
chip ever.
Why is it the worst chip ever?
smallest bit of sand that we got a little off. Barely.
Okay, go, here, hand me the towel. Go over there and open some things. Hand me the towel. I'm soggy.
This a towel?
That is not a towel.
That's not a towel.
What else you got in your buggy? What has Santa Bird brought you? Don't flick Santa Bird.
I'm a flick Santa.
She thinks my Santa Bird's creepy.
Daddy thinks that's creepy.
Just because he's creepy.
You go creepy.
And what was that? You're not showing anything off today.
It's Shopkins World Vacation. I feel like we're gonna get the glow. Why did I drop that?
Here's the little house piece.
Scared the burble.
You can connect them. You build a little house or apartment or hotel or...
We already have this one.
Like a little violin. And I don't remember their names. What is that one?
Coffee.
Like a little teacup.
Coffee.
Maybe a coffee. Oh my.
That cocoa? Is that cocoa? Is it?
This is violin.
Well, you found that. I'm gonna open another thing. This is Barbie Pets.
And this is High Tea Helen. So it is tea. You get all kinds of shopping.
It has cocoa. It has cocoa. It ain't tea. It has cocoa. It doesn't have anything in it. Seriously, it has nothing in it.
Yeah. Wonder why they didn't color the top or like anything.
I'm making a mess for the tree. Mom, you're cleaning this up.
No.
It's the only thing I don't like about it.
No.
Yes, it's just a mess after.
I don't know how to clean things up.
You do. You clean up everything. I do.
What are you looking at?
There's a tear strip on this too.
Then why don't you ever use the tear strip?
I never knew there was one. But I'm still not using it. Because I don't know where it is.
Well, it's in the floor apparently.
Yeah.
Let's show off the bag.
A rainbow.
What kind of pet do you want to get?
Rainbow. Chihuahua. Birdie.
It's a little rainbow bag. This is Barbie.
I have flung that.
Oh, the violin.
It landed next to another feather.
Put the violin in the teacup. Now
Ooh,
something's in the
Toothpick.
teacup.
Toothpick.
Is there a checklist
Toothpick.
or anything? Oh, there is a checklist. But look at this beforehand. Let's see. What do you like? Oh my goodness.
This is blue. It says a blue thing. Ooh, look at you. Look at the bottom.
Yeah. A rare glitter figure. We got like a poodle with a unicorn thing, and
This is a duplicate. I already know it.
we've got a beagle with a little flower hat. We've got a corgi dressed as a frog.
I already opened it, and this is a duplicate. We got a duplicate.
Oh, that one's got a donut. That's the one I want. The border collie with a donut.
We got a duplicate.
Okay.
Another duplicate.
Oh my.
Both
This
of
one's
them
cute.
are duplicates. We already have these.
And this is a golden retriever.
And this is a waver.
This one's got little wings.
It's a wing. Wing, wing. Where do you have wing, wings?
This is some mode. Some more. I don't know.
Where do you have wing, wing?
S-A-M-O-Y-E-D.
Birdie have wing wings.
Don't ask me how to pronounce anything ever.
Birdie have wing wings.
So that's a birdie?
Birdie have wing wings.
So that's a birdie?
That's a birdie. This is a fake birdie.
If we tied our bird to one of our dogs, would it look like this? We do have a white dog and a blue bird.
We do.
Could we make this in real life?
No.
I think that would end tragically.
No. We're not going to do that. The dog's going to try to end up eating the bird.
Chicken nugget?
No. Not chicken.
Chicken nugget.
Not chicken nugget.
Get some barbecue sauce for that nugget.
Not chicken nugget.
What else you got in your shopping cart?
Nugget.
This is the Princess Comics. Which princess do you think you're going to get?
I think we're going to get the raccoon.
The raccoon.
We already have all of them. We opened all of them up on
Yeah, we did a video where we opened a whole bunch of them and got the whole collection. If you want to look on the channel for that. I think you're going to get Merida because she's my favorite. I actually have a Merida in my room. She's adorable.
Oh, what? Is it one of these? The duplicate?
Yeah, I stole it out of the stuff because you had a duplicate. She's my favorite. What'd you get? What's
Cinderella!
that? Cinderella!
Cindy.
Get a little sticker.
Cindy!
Is there not a checklist?
No.
Oh, I was hoping I could show the checklist because Merida's cute. She's like eating an apple and she's got a big happy smile.
Okay. There's a feather stuck to the shopping cart.
Cinderella, and she's not in her ball gown. She's in
Birdie.
her like cleaning outfit.
There is a feather stuck to the shopping cart.
Very cute.
Birdie, did you get a feather stuck to the shopping cart?
There's feathers and everything.
I got it. I got the feather.
Okay, so all we have left to do is try to get into this gold digger.
Yep.
Let's move this table back over.
That's all I've done. There's a feather flying around here. Birdie.
Shocking. This is my favorite thing of the day. He's so cute. And you can move his bird around.
You're gonna get through this no matter what. Let me turn it over.
Cinderella have a stand. She doesn't want to stand.
Yeah, she has a stand.
Where? I'll look. Okay, I found it. Okay, they come with a cute little stand that looks like a speech bubble because they're like little comic things. We're not trying to water the tree here.
You're trying to water the bird. Everything. The camera too.
Oh my. Let's see if I can flick him.
Mama,
What?
how does the Snoopy stay up and doesn't fall?
I don't know. It's magic. Snoopy magic. Oh no!
No!
He went
Poor
for,
minion.
he went for a swim. Give me the
His hand
towel.
on it. His hand on it.
Well, he was at the beach. He's sandy. He's wet. Poor little guy. Poor little guy. Oh, he almost went back in again. He really wants to go in the water.
But they're not aiming for the water, I think.
Oh, I don't know where he went now.
He's bad. He's underneath the water, I think.
He's probably covered in feathers.
Yeah, probably.
Where did he go? I lost him. Oh no, he's beside the chair. I got him. You keep working on that. We need to get through it or we'll never be able to finish this video.
10 years later, we're still doing this.
Yeah. You making any progress?
Barely.
Let's see if I can break some off.
Let me just... Nothing's happening.
Yeah.
Nothing is happening!
This is very tricky.
You're doing it. It's best strategy.
I dig into it. The scoop is a little bit shovelly.
It's supposed to be a scoop. Here, let me try.
Maybe it'd be better from the bottom where it's been really sitting in the water better.
Let me try.
Okay, twist like that.
Scoop it up.
Okay, this is already 20 minutes long. We gotta get it.
Oh, wait, what?
We gotta get it.
My videos are way long.
I guess I should have dug on it some while you opened stuff.
Flip it over to the side. I'm really making. Take out chunks.
Let's see if we can break it.
We want to try to break it?
I don't think we can.
Let me try.
But I think you are at the stone.
Oh, yeah, let me see.
I think you are right on top of the stone there.
Yeah, that is the stone.
Okay, so let's keep working. Work that spot. Work around it. Okay.
Now.
So while you do that, I'm going to ask everyone, what was their favorite thing of the video? Snoopy and Woodstock?
I feel like this
Tippies?
is obsidian.
I think it's the obsidian.
From Minecraft. Obsidian.
Is that why you know that word? Okay.
Yep.
The little minions splat 'em.
It's the only way to make another portal in Minecraft is
Okay.
obsidian.
I have no idea.
Unless you have a mod to make like.
We have the little pink puppy with a bowl. We have a little white puppy with his or her wings. I'm not holding that one there. There we go.
Mama?
Or did you like the little bag that they came in? The little Barbie bag. Very cute.
Or everything.
Everything. Or Cinderella in her little dress. Looks like she's singing. She's pretty happy. Or one of the Shopkins. They're so cute. Did you get the stone out?
Nope. Like, it's kind of blue.
Think it's kind of blue?
It looks like it's kind of blue.
What was your favorite thing of the video?
My favorite thing, Snoopy.
Snoopy.
Or Snoopy and the Minion. I've been waiting
very
to
cute.
open the Minion thing up forever.
Ever. It's been like a week.
Been 10 years.
It's been like a week.
It's been 10 years.
Hey, can I help you so we can get this done?
No,
Okay.
cannot help me.
Clearly, no one can help you.
Dig out a big spot. This is how you dig out a big spot.
Okay. It seems to be doing something. We're getting a lot of sand off. Here, let me help a bit. At least let me show them what's going on. Wow, you were throwing that all over the chair. Let's see what's going on here.
Dad gets home.
We have that much of a stone showing. We gotta be able to get this out. Get back in the water. Let's see if I can get the minion to stick to Brienne while we wait. Stick to her head. Nope. He's trying to get in the water. He really likes it. Oh my gosh. What are you doing?
Don't ask the question.
What? Oh.
I made him full. Made him full.
That's a good scoop.
Yeah, lots of the stone showing.
it's going to be pretty safe to say that we got the obsidian because it looks like it's smooth. And this one looks like it would be kind of rough.
It's definitely not the only one because it's red.
Yeah,
We got lots of the obsidian showing.
Yeah, I think we did get an obsidian one before when we did one of these.
Where's the obsidian? The other one?
No telling.
We never know where our stuff goes. Looking for stuff for years, and when we don't need that thing anymore, we find it. That's how it is in our house.
Can I try to scoop, please? Why don't you talk about your favorite things and what you like about each thing? Try your hands. You really do got to get this video done, so.
My hands hurt.
What's your, good, I'm glad. What's your favorite thing?
Minion's second favorite thing is Snoopy.
Talk to him. What is that thing?
I got it from a maze.
From a maze.
Yeah. Told you this yesterday.
I know, but you didn't tell them. And since we're sitting here not talking, you might as well tell them what you got in your hand.
It's a fidget spinner that also like pops.
Okay. We may have to let this soak a little longer, but we're going to have to finish this video up. That's what we got in there. A little square of obsidian stone. It's black.
In our next video, we'll show you what it looks like.
Alrighty.
In our next video.
Everybody comment down below what was your favorite thing of the day. Definitely teeny tiny woodstock. Or you could pick the obsidian if you like gemstones.
Not just if you like Minecraft too.
Yeah, well.
Obsidian.
You can pretend it's a Minecraft block, I guess. And if you want to see all of these little princess comic things, we do have a video where we open them all.
You already told them that.
I'm just reminding them. These are super cute. If you can find these in the store, they're adorable.
We found it at Dollar Tree.
Yeah, we did.
If you know what Dollar Tree is.
And if you don't know what Dollar Tree is, you just broke my heart. Alright.
It's a place where everything is $1 or less.
Well, until they raise the prices.
Yeah, because they're at our Dollar Tree, there's a $5.
Yeah. Alright.
Bye.
You ever gonna end this video?